We have all the ingredients here. We have butter, milk, have here some Good morning world! How are you doing? Good morning from the beach. Yes, today we came to the beach because yesterday it was really windy. I wanted to come here but it was cold and windy. But look today at the sun. There's a lot of sun in here. It's really sunny and it's gorgeous. I mean, we are in winter and these temperatures are gorgeous. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, I'm with Andrea, we are in Santa Susanna, which is a village close to Barcelona. Actually, I think it's a city or a village close to Barcelona. It's in the seaside, and we are spending here the weekend because Andrea gave me as a present for my birthday, which was yesterday. She gave me this day off here in Santa Susanna in a very nice hotel. So definitely check it out if you haven't done so. Check yesterday's vlog because you will see why we are here and what we did yesterday. For now we are here at the beach and we're gonna be enjoying a little bit this nice weather. Back now in the car. We're driving back home, but first we are going to stop in Roca Village, which is a shopping center in our way to Barcelona. It's a shopping center which is a bit special than the rest of shopping centers in Barcelona, and it's special because they have some very good brands with a big discount. So they get like it's like outlet or pieces that are not sold in the normal shops, and they bring them there to Roca Village where they sell them for cheaper prices. So that's our next destination. We're gonna go there and we're gonna just walk there, do some shopping and enjoy the day.
Where you belong.
yes, La Roca Village is full of stores, like brand stores, with things, like expensive things with cheap prices. So we came here to Udon to eat some Japanese food. Andrea, say hello to the camera. Chicken thigh fingers. We're back in the car now, so we've been having a nice lunch and now we're heading back home. We're tired today, we're really tired.
We are doing a cake.
Yes, we will be doing a cake with the Thermomix. We bought some ingredients because tomorrow we're going with some friends and we will bring a cake. We will now we will go home and we will make a cake. Here we are back at home. Yes, guys, we arrived at home finally. Woo, what a nice day. We were from Santa Susanna to Barcelona and here we are, and look at me. I have this apron and we are ready to cook. As Andrea said, we will be preparing a chocolate cake, 3 layers of chocolate, and we have all the ingredients here. We have butter, milk, have here some white cream, some biscuits, chocolate, and more chocolate. And we have our Thermomix ready to cook. So we're gonna do like magic. We're gonna do 1, 2, and here we have the cake. Yes, cake is ready. So now we just have to put it in the fridge, wait until tomorrow, and the cake will be ready to eat. And yes, that's the end of today's vlog. Woo! Today we've done a lot of things and we're back at home. We're back at Barcelona. So as I always say, and that's my end of the vlogs, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, leave any comment down below saying hello Adria, hello Andrea, hello everyone, or whatever you want. Questions, comments, whatever, are free. I always read them, you know. And see you tomorrow with a new vlog, special, very nice, amazing vlog. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.